Good morning, YouTube and Facebook. Alan from Spotless Carpet Cleaning. I'm on my second job in Fairhaven, and I must continue to say it's a beautiful day out. I'm down on the island, Fisherman Island, I think it's called, just across the small bridge, and it's beautiful over here. I have like maybe four clients over here. This will be my fifth one, and it's always nice to come over here. You get that fresh ocean breeze coming in from off the sea. It's right in the backyard of these houses, and man, how I wish. But as I said, it's a beautiful day. So let me take you and show you what is it I'll be cleaning this morning. So I'll be doing some upholsteries today, and I'll be doing this beautiful rocker here, this sectional sofa with the throw pillows, and we have a love seat here and a small standing chair, plus I have the dryer vent to clean also, but I will leave that for last. I'm going to focus on all of these first. I'm going to start the vacuuming, getting all the dry soil out, and come back, put on the pre-spray, let it run, and start the cleaning process. Alright guys? Finished with all the upholsteries inside. Now I'll be cleaning another dryer vent for the same customer. This one is not as bad as the one from yesterday, as you can see, but still it is worthwhile cleaning. Okay, everything is already been set up using the compressor to do that. Just finished with this dryer vent cleaning, and this is what a good walk-in dryer vent should look like. See how these are just flying open? They cannot stay closed. You see that? That means you're getting good airflow that's coming from the dryer and pushing outside. If it was not like that, these would have been flat closed. but that's good airflow you see coming out there. So call us if you're looking to have your dryer vent clean at 774-265-7111. Okay guys, so we are finished with this job, and these upholstery came out beautiful. Everything is just drying out right now. I have the windows open in all four corners of the house so you can have good airflow coming through. And then I did the throw cushions that she asked, the small standing chair, and this love seat right here. So I'm here with the customer. I'm just gonna ask her why did she choose spotless carpet clean, or what she think about the job this morning.
Hi there.
There you go, with Miss Karen.
Hi there. I chose Alan because when I researched other people in the area, I really wasn't getting a good feeling about them. Alan's website and his presence on Facebook, you could see that he was entering his jobs every day. He was very transparent, and you could see the results, and I felt very confident hiring him. And honest to God, he has done the best job ever. I can't believe the amount of time he spent here, and he did the job right. So much better than the people I had here last year. I would say, ought to call him, get him down to your place in a heartbeat. Do not even think of hiring anybody else. Excellent job.
Thank you, Miss
Excellent
Karen.
job.
Thank you.
I second that.
Okay, thank
He's
you.
a good man, very good man.
All right, guys, so you guys hear it from the customer's mouth. All right, good job. So I shall see you guys later. Enjoy the rest of this beautiful day outside.